Let's make a super cute love sign out of this dollar store stuff. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this tray from Dollar Tree and I sanded it, wiped it down, then I'm covering it with school glue. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's school glue and I'm gonna let it dry. Now I'm impatient, so I use my heat gun, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna cover it with chalk paint. This is sheepskin is the color, and then I'm going to put my heat gun to it. And look at the crackle. Stop. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, love it. All right, so then I have a piece of burlap, and I thought I was being really good about measuring and cutting and all the things. Then I put some Mod Podge on the bottom, on the inside, and I'm going to glue our burlap to that. Friends, how I messed it up, I don't know. But you know what? When you do this, you won't mess it up. It'll be great. It'll be straight and everything. I wasn't. Anyways, so then I had this cute little Noel sign thing from Dollar General, I think, and I had gotten it on clearance. And all I'm doing is taking it apart. I just want the circles because we're going to make them say love. I know. We're going to save all the pieces parts, though, that we don't use. And just so you know, it was 90% off. In what? Yeah. You do the math. I got really sick of trying to make everybody, like no labels or anything. So I just painted them black and let them dry. Then I did 2 coats of white chalk paint. And again, this is the color of sheepskin. I'm sure there's another way to do this. I just didn't have the patience to do it. So, and it worked for me, right? Then I'm going to distress mine. Again, if you don't like the distressing vibe, don't do it. But I like it. So I'm using some wax, and I'm just going to put some wax on the top just to make it look smoky and weathered. Then I'm going to take some more of that dry brushing, and I'm just going to pull some of it off on the edges. I felt like it almost looked like a piece of wood, like cut a log. You could sand yours, though. You could do anything. You could make these bright colors and not distress them in primitive, anything you want. All right, so then I had some poster letters from Dollar Tree, and I just have a letter L, so I'm going to put that on. Then I have a little wood heart that I'm distressing, and I'm gluing onto one of those little circles we did, a V, and then obviously an E. Perfect, right? And then I'm going to hot glue each of them to our cute little tray. I had originally thought that I was going to make it so that we could put candles on it, but then I was like, I have some florals and I'm going to try my hand at it again because I'm a work in progress and I always want to try to do better. It's not great yet. I get it, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm working on it. I had gotten this floral, by the way. I got them at Walmart. And they were on clearance, of course. They had these cute little roses on clearance as well. So I scooped those up. So I'm going to put 3 of those in the center. I did 2 each of the leaves on the end, the greenery. And then I'm just using, this is again from the same greenery. I just pulled pieces off of it and I'm gluing them in just to kind of fill it a little bit. Not a lot. I don't do florals, but you know what? I'm not mad. I think it came out kind of cute. I like it. I'm into it. I wish that I could cut a straight line and I could measure better because that would have looked even better if it was straight across. But that's okay. It's fine. When you do it, it'll be amazing. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.